Ireland's national underground water network is vastly complicated and interconnected. It's made up of over 63,000 kilometres of water pipe. We've got millions of joints, thousands of hydrants and over 1.1 million water meters. Every day we produce 1.7 billion litres of water coming out of 800 water treatment plants, and that's all pushed into this vast complex network. Leakage has been a major problem in Ireland for the last number of years, and that's despite all the hard work completed by the local authorities over that time. Much of the current network out there was laid in the 19th century, so a lot of the pipes and valves are extremely old and in poor condition. As a result of this, we currently have a leakage of 43% of our network. Irish Water have a leakage strategy in place now to address the leakage problem. We have dedicated teams on the ground, and we have also supported dedicated investment in place to reduce leakage. We now have live data coming back from over 1.1 million metres that are feeding into our brand new state-of-the-art leakage management system, and that's allowing us to direct our find and fix crews to address leakage in areas of the highest leakage.
We are delivering a national leakage reduction programme as a single coordinated approach using specialised systems, techniques and teams working with local authorities all across the country. The delivery of 7 specific work streams through our national leakage reduction programme are collectively driving leakage down. Water supplies are measured using meters on the public water network and at businesses and homes before water reaches our taps. By measuring both flows and usage in smaller areas, we can now better understand if usage is unusual or high, which can be an indication of underground leaks. It's in these smaller areas where we can focus our crews' efforts to actively target and detect underground leaks using specialised sounding equipment. Leaks detected are then scheduled for safe and efficient repair. Fixing leaks is complex. It takes expertise to find underground leaks and requires coordination and time to plan repairs.
As part of this work, we are also providing properties with individual water pipe connections to replace old and leaking shared connections where we find them. These older connections, in addition to being prone to leakage and pressure issues, are made from cast iron and lead. Lead is now recognised as a health concern, and that is why we want to replace these pipes with new modern pipe material. All our domestic water meters have a leak alarm that lets us know if there is a continuous flow of water going into a property, which can often be because of a leak. We have a scheme to manage this called First Fix for Free scheme, which supports homeowners to find leaks and repair them. Pipe replacement can be disruptive within a community. This often involves closing roads and redirecting cars, cyclists, pedestrians and buses safely. Replacing just 1 kilometre of pipe can mean traffic disruption to thousands of people.
What we're doing is absolutely having an effect, but it's a constant battle. Irish Water is on track to save 166 million litres of water a day by 2021, and that's due to this dedicated investment and leakage reduction programme. The leakage reduction programme is allowing us to lose less. We're all beginning to learn how to use less, and then finally we're investing in our infrastructure that will allow us to supply smarter. There's no quick fix. It's complicated, it's going to take time, but we're confident we can deliver a safe, secure and sustainable supply of water for the people of Ireland now and into the future.